When we pray, our prayers may not be answered, but still we have that faith in Jesus. We have experienced it. Easter is not a single event happened in the history, but it's a daily encounter with Jesus. If we can make that encounter with Jesus, my dear brothers and sisters, there will be a transformation in our life. The first day of Easter was not of celebration, but of tears. Not of celebration, but there was a transformation. A burning zeal was there in the life of Mary Magdalene. Those who have encountered the resurrected Jesus in their life had a total transformation in their life. Look at Saul became Saint Paul, and each and everyone who has encountered Jesus, resurrected Jesus in their life, a change is there, a transformation is there.